You may have had this problem. Your solar torch lights no longer turn on. Press the button, nothing happens. You put your hand over the light sensor, nothing happens. So the problem is that little on-off switch shorts out, it's oxidized. So what you need to do is pull out the two wires there, snip them off, strip them, and just twist them together, put a piece of tape on, and it'll work. I'm fishing the wires out of the side of the base of the light using what looks like a bit ice pick. You can just use a screwdriver, that works fine. Using a utility knife, cut the wires as close to the base as possible to give yourself room to work with the wires. Now, using a wire stripper, strip the black insulation of the outside of the wires. Maybe, let's say, leave like a ½ inch of wire, surely. Using your fingers, twist the two wires together. Finally, tear off a strip of black electrical tape and wrap it around the two wires to help hold them together and prevent corrosion. Place your hand over the solar panel on the top. If the light turns on, it's fixed and you can install it back in your yard.